I have many knives, but there's one that definitely stands out. The CRKT Burnley Design Squid. A sub 3-inch bladed workhorse of perfection. It's available in a few different finishes, but the black wash is definitely my personal favourite. It adds a slightly used, but definitely not abused look to it. As if it's already been at home in your pocket, but comes straight out of the box that way. It feels amazing in the hand. A bar of soap is the best way to describe it. No sharp edges or corners that dig into your hand. It makes it a pleasure to use and hold. Heavy enough to inspire confidence in its rugged reliability, yet doesn't weigh down your pocket. I added a simple paracord lanyard to aid in the removal from my pocket. Dangle it from the lanyard and you will see where the name Squid came from. Aesthetically beautiful. It's tip-up right-handed carry, which might be a problem for some, but not for me. The blade lock-up is reassuringly good, covering a good portion of the back of the blade. No chance of failing and cutting your fingers. With a 2 1/4 by 1 inch chubby drop point blade, it's definitely sheeple friendly. No one bats an eyelid when you whip it out of your pocket and tear open a package. Sure, it may not be the toughest blade steel, being 8 CR13 MOV, but it holds a good edge and it's easy to sharpen. Loads of fun practicing too. The opening and closing is buttery smooth, makes it a perfect one-hand opener. And the blade centering, it's just perfect. Something that I've never found on knives at quadruple the price. Which brings me on to one of the key factors knife collectors and enthusiasts look for. The price. I mean, it's $24.95 right now on Heine Haynes. For under £25, you really can't get better in my opinion. In fact, I'm probably going to buy another one, add it to the collection. Stonewash finish I reckon this time though.